Hello, so in this video we're going to see how we can use this extension full page screenshot. So let's click on add to Chrome, or if you're using any kind of Chromium browser like Brave or Chrome Dev, this will also be the same process. So this is the welcome screen, so we can just ignore it for now, or you can review the settings. So if we go to the settings page, you can see that this is capture engine. So the capture engine is that how much scrolling or time or delay you want in between. So maximum viewport segments, so this is actually determines how much long the page is, and these things are good. And the file name template, you can predefine the file name template, and basically by default it's title, so the title of the window and the date and the time. So this is the example of how it should look like. And it will go to this folder. So whenever you click download, it will create a folder and it will download the file inside this folder. So default image format is PNG, which is lossless PNG, and you have JPG and WebP, and you can determine the quality, and you have the history retention, which is whenever you have the folder or images in the same folder, then you can see your captured history. And you can have autosave option, and there are a couple of more options. And if we come over here, then you can see that the canvas safety, this is for just for safety, so that the browser or the system doesn't get locked or doesn't hang quite often. So we can add Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive if you want, and there are other options for managing the extension with your keyboard shortcut. So let's say save settings. These are also set, but let's say we can just remove it from here. We can go to a page. So after installing this page, the extension, we can click or close that page. We have to go to this option here, extension option, and you can see the full page screenshot. So let's click here, and we can see there is an icon of the extension. So if we click here, you can see the progress bar or progress count here. Now this is a page where it gets interesting. So here you can see that this is our file name. So it's the title name, and you have a time. You will have the time and other format whenever you click download. So first of all, let's say you have the option to export it in multiple way or multiple format. So now let's go to this options one by one. This is actually the select. You can select it, select other options if available here. So now let's say we want to box something or highlight something. So here you can highlight it. You can change the color from here. You can change anything, right? Like the opacity and the line width, line height, and everything, right? And you can also set the background of this page. So if I just want to have some background on the whole screenshot, I can have it. Let's say I want a solid color. I can say blue, maybe, or I can say I can have anything, right? So also I can use oval. Let's say I want this here, I want oval here. I can have a line here, and also I have the arrow options. I mean, any type of common annotations, you get everything here in one place. You can have the text, so this is a text, so you can apply it anywhere in the screenshot. So after that, you can have emojis. There are common emojis are there, so you can have them all. Okay, so there are other options. Let's see them one by one, which is blur option. There you can just blur your confidential information by this. You can pixelate some text like this. You can even crop the image. Let's say you want to crop this part, right? Let's do it. You can crop this part as well. So I'm just canceling it for now. Now you have the option. Let's say you have added multiple items here, right? But you want to delete some item. So you can have it, and you can do it very easily. Let's say I want to delete this sticker. So I can delete it. I want to delete the blur. I can delete it, or I can edit it again, or I can do it very easily. So after I am done editing or annotating, I can just copy the PNG to my clipboard. I can paste it in WhatsApp or Telegram or in any kind of text image based chatting options, or I can download it for locally for later use. And you can see that the formatting of the name of this image. So this is how you can easily take a screenshot down. There is another option to view it in full, or in this way you can have the full freedom, and you also have the undo and redo options. So also if you want to delete it, let's say I select it and I can delete it from here. So this is all yours. Just use it, enjoy it.